Good morning dear students. Chemical kinetics. In this video, we are going to discuss about easy way to determine half-life period, T half. In the first order reaction, A gives product 60% of the given sample of A decomposes in 40 minutes. What is the half-life of the reaction? What is the half-life of the reaction? We know the formula used to calculate half-life of a first order reaction is T half equal to 0.6932 by K. We can divide these two values as 2.303 into 0.3010 by K. To calculate T half, first we have to calculate the rate constant K. So, to calculate T half, we require K value. First order rate constant K value we know. The concentration of A0 is equal to 100 molar. Concentration of A, 60% is given in our problem. Therefore, 100 minus 60 equal to 40 molar. Time is also given in our problem. Time is 40 minutes. No need to convert into second. Now, first order rate constant K is equal to 2.303 by T end log of concentration of A0 divided by concentration of A. That is equal to 2.303 by 40 end log of A0 100 divided by A40. We can cancel these two. 1 0 get cancelled. So, that is equal to 2.303 by 40 end log A by B equal to log A minus log B. That is equal to 2.303 divided by 40 end log 10 1.0000 minus log 4 value. We know log 4 can also be written as log 2 power 2. Log B power A formula A log B. 2 into log 2 value 0.3010, that is equal to 0.6020. 0.6020 is the log value of log 4 and that is equal to 2.303 divided by 40 end. When you subtract these two values, you will get 0. 10 minus 2 equal to 8, 9 minus 6 equal to 3.0. That is equal to 2.303 divided by 40 can also be written as 4 into 10. 0.398 can be written as 0.40. So, 1 4 is 4, this is 0.1. 0.1 is nothing but 10 power minus 1. This is also when you bring to the numerator. So, K value for the first order reaction is 2.303 into 10 power minus 2 minute power minus 1. Using this, now we are going to calculate the T half. We know the formula used to calculate half-life period T half equal to. What is the formula? 0.6932 divided by K. K value we know. That 0.6932 can also be written as 2.303 end 0.3010 divided by K. K value just now we have calculated. Now I substitute that value. 2.303 and 0.3010 divided by K value we have calculated is 2.303 into 10 power minus 2. Which one get cancelled? You know, 2.303 get cancelled. Bring the 10 power minus 2 to the numerator. That is equal to 0.3010 into 10 power 2. 10 power 2. That is equal to 30.10 T half K unit minute power minus 1. So here half-life period equal to n minute. This is half-life period. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara. Yes. Okay, thank you.